The tens timetable. In this short video, we'll look at some tricks to help us memorize the tens timetable, and we'll use cubes in this box to help us visualize them. So, as the name suggests, when we say 10 times, it means that we're doing something 10 times. So, if I put my hand in this box 10 times to get 1 cube each time, I'll end up with 10 in total. So 10 times 1 each. So 10 times 1 is equal to 10. If I do the same thing 10 times but get 2 cubes each time, now I'll end up with 20, so 2 each time. And 10 times 3, so 10 times 3 cubes each time, I'll end up with 30. 10 times 4 is going to give us 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 11 is 110. 10 times 12 is 120. As I read the answers out and as I'm writing them now, you can see what's happening. So 1 multiplied by 10 is becoming 10. 2 multiplied by 10 is becoming 20. So the digit itself, add a 0 at the end. 3 times 10, 30. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So write the 10 as it is and add the 0 at the end. 110. So 11, add a 0. 12, add a 0, which makes 120. So with any whole number, this works. So we can have 45 times 10 is going to give us 450. 10 times 32 is going to give us 320. So you just add a 0 at the end. So this can help you with all of the other timetables when it comes to 5 times 10, for example, 7 times 10, or breaking numbers down. So if you want to multiply 6 by 12, you can break 12 down into 10 and 2. So 10 times 6 is 60, and 2 times 6 is 12. So that makes 72. So I suggest that you write these down on a piece of paper and repeat them again and again till you've memorized them all in order.